Hi, welcome to our channel. We are going to introduce how to use throttle with ADC V3 adapter in VESC application for scooter. Check the wiring firstly. And it's for dual motor mode. In this video, we will take Spiny 2 for example, and its same way to other throttle. Then turn on U-box, the adapter will quickly beep twice, and we will do motor configuration in VESC tool. In this part, please write your actual motor and battery spec in it. And please check the detection result if they're similar. Nextly, hook up the Spiny 2 throttle in adapter V3. And we're going to do input setup. Don't forget to check the second ESC can message rate status are checked. And don't do choice on app to use for second ESCs, let it in UART or no app. Then go back to main ESC to set its ADC in details. Do mapping firstly. This required to roll your throttle forward and backward to full trip. Remember to apply it and then save in app conf. And you can check if tow channel 1 and channel 2 are full trip after applying it. Then click General. We need to choose control type. And also write in app config. Till now, the input setup for dual motor mode is finished. Test your throttle and brake. Roll back to brake. Then the adapter brake indicator LED light on. Or you can simply upload our input setup config file to your VESC. No need to do input setup. Firstly, download our app setup config file from GitHub. Save it in your PC. Secondly, upload the file that you just downloaded. And don't forget to save it in app. Then check the second ESC can message rate, and also check app to use is UART or no app. And also remember to save your setting. Now you can test if this way works. I changed another throttle on it. Test it now. It also works the brake. We don't hook another brake lever, can't show it here. You can try it. And in next video, we will show you single and dual switch mode setting. Super easy, see you next video.